November is turning out to be an eventful month with reports of snow in Lesotho, heavy rain over eastern South Africa, where the biggest dams are currently overflowing. And even though it doesn't look like it, we do have a cold front making its way to Cape Town. So here's your forecast. Just a quick mention, it's quite normal for Cape Town to still receive a few weak fronts up until the month of November, and that's exactly what's happening. The front is only sliding over the coastal areas, quickly weakening and moving south, only to bring in a few light showers for the coast as well as along the southern coastline. And ahead of that front, due to high instability values and enough moisture, a few isolated thunderstorms expected to bubble up over northwest, stretching into the Free State and becoming scattered over the eastern areas of the Eastern Cape, and this includes the interior of Kwa-Zulu-Natal and a few evening thunderstorms expected over parts of Mpumalanga. A cloudy Wednesday morning for the Western Cape with early morning drizzle as that cold front only slides over the coastal areas. Later partly cloudy, 21 in Cape Town, and into the afternoon warming up over the interior with the temperatures in the mid to upper 20s, reaching 28 degrees in Beaufort West. That onshore flow also pushing in only a few light showers for the southern coastline. Later a cool to mild day with temperatures in the lower 20s. A southeaster for Nelson Mandela Bay, and then winds turning southwesterly from East London all the way to Port St. John's. Later a few light showers likely over the coastal areas, but isolated thunderstorms becoming scattered over the northeastern parts. Winds also turning southwesterly for the coast of KwaZulu-Natal, and thunderstorms becoming scattered from the afternoon over Pietermaritzburg, Ladysmith, and this includes Newcastle, with the likelihood of a few light showers reaching the southern coastline. It's extremely hot in the low felds, 31 degrees in Mbombela, 36 in Skukuza, and a few isolated thunderstorms expected from late afternoon, reaching 35 in Phalaborwa and on the dot 30 in Tzaneen as well as Lepelale and Tabazimbi on Wednesday afternoon. A mainly sunny and warm to very warm day for northwest, temperatures reaching the upper 20s. Northwesterly winds picking up with a few patchy thunderstorms likely over the extreme southwestern areas. And then in the northern Cape, we're expecting temperatures in the lower to mid 20s over the southern areas. Hot in the north with 33 in Uppington, 32 in Kimberley. Later becoming partly cloudy, and that northerly wind picking up with a few patchy thunderstorms likely over parts of the Free State. It's a sunny and warmer day for Gauteng with 26 degrees in Johannesburg and reaching 28 in Pretoria. And then into Thursday, that cold front moving away, but a reaching high will push in a few light showers for the southern coastline as well as the Eastern Cape. And on Friday, more light rain for the coastal areas of South Africa and isolated thunderstorms expected over Gauteng, parts of Mpumalanga, the Free State, and KwaZulu-Natal. Well, that's all from me. And remember, no matter the weather, we're in this together.